Hey everybody, AJ with AJ's Vintage Designs here, and I'm doing another product review. I know I've been doing a lot of these lately, but there's a few things that have been sent to me that I've been really excited about and that worthy of doing a video on. You had watched my Vever heat press video where I showed putting patches on my hat, putting patches on my shirts, and I used my Vever heat press. However, then I got questions as to, well, what about the patches? Where'd you get them? How'd you get them? How'd you get your logo on a patch? So I kind of bypassed that. So I thought I'd share with you how I got that. Now these patches, I got a ton of them, because everything I wear, I want my logo on. So that's what I'm kind of working on, my brand, and so I want to make sure that I put my brand out there for everybody to see. So the hats are my favorite. So the patches, I want to talk about the patches. These patches are great quality. Look at these close up. Look at how perfect that stitching is, that embroidered stitching. Now these are, look at the back, these, you can see that shine. These are the iron-on patches. They have the iron-on patches, they have the printed-on patches, they have the woven patches, they pretty much have every kind of patch you can imagine. So, and the great thing is there's no minimums. They are kind of like a one-stop shop. You go to them, there's no minimums. They've been in business for over 20 years and they ship. I did some research on it before I said yes to trying these out. And they've been in business for 20 years and they do lapel pins, they do reward coins, they do belt buckles, they do lanyards, they do patches, they do pretty much everything. They do so many things, and they ship to the US, Canada, Australia, the UK. So that's one nice thing too, is that they aren't just in the US. So they ship everywhere. I got these very quickly. They have a design center as well. So I sent them my logo. They sent it back to me for approval. And then boom, I got them in the mail. And these I use on my heat press, but you can also use an iron. I like to use a heat press because I want it fast. I want it easy. I want to just be able to boom, fly through my stuff and get patches on everything. Who knows? Eventually, maybe I'll decide to make money off my hats and do other things with it. But my logo I had put on the patches. Now, like I said, they also do lapel pins, reward coins, belt buckles. They do a lot of stuff. They are a one-stop shop. They have a design center. They can help you design, or you can just send them your logo and then they can create it. But it is a one-stop shop. They are factory direct pricing. So the pricing is actually spot on. That was one thing that I was excited about. I didn't want this to cost me an arm and a leg. I want to be able to put this on pretty much everything. So I'm impressed with the quality of the patches that I got, and I wouldn't say it if I didn't believe it. I want you to see these things close up. Look at those. There is not a flaw on them. Like I said, these are the iron-on ones, so I can use my heat press for them. The part that was important to me was that, customer reviews as well. They have like over 5,000 customer reviews, so they've been around the block. They know what they're doing. Like I said, been in business for 20 years. I'm gonna have their website up here, but I'm also gonna have all their information down in the description box so you can check them out. So if you're one like me that wants to get your brand logo recognized and out there, you need to display it. You need people to see it. So pretty much all the time you're seeing my logo on my clothing. But the patches make it easy. I can put this patch on pretty much everything. All my shirt pockets, like my flannels that I wear when I'm painting, or if I'm out teaching a class, my flannels all have my patch on them. My hats always have a patch on them. It's like instant advertising. So, and look at this nice big stack. Nice big stack. I could put this patches on a lot of stuff. So make sure you head into their website and checking them out. Like I said, it's factory direct pricing. The pricing is great. They have 24/7 customer service. They're there to help you out. Basically, all I did is just emailed them my logo. They do all the work. But if you need help, they have design services. They can help you as well. So make sure you head into their website. I'll put the information down below and check them out. And maybe I'll be seeing you like around town with your logo plastered all over everything that you wear too, like I'm gonna be doing. So they're fun and easy. Like I said, you don't have to have a heat press. You can use an iron with these with some parchment paper in between. But like I said, I use a heat press, my Vever hat press, so that I can like fly through these. If I have a hat, boom, I put it on. If I buy a new hat that's plain, boom, my patch goes on. It's automatic within minutes. And so I'm definitely going to be ordering more things with my logo on it. It was quick, it was fast shipping. So check them out. The information is gs-jj.com, and get your logo put on a patch. Get it put on your clothing. Get yourself seen.